I'll complete the case. So the next step which we are going to do is to create an inquiry for this customer. How can we create an inquiry? For this one, we already have the transaction code to create an inquiry. Inquiry type is general inquiries. Again, same information for sales organization, US East, distribution channel, wholesale division is bicycle. This is the only information which you will enter. And what is inquiry? Inquiry is just a request by a customer that he is interested in buying something. You make an inquiry, right? So then you press enter and enter your sold to party is your here. You have to enter the information, your customer number, to whom you are selling, your own customer. Don't put my, please. This is important. To complete a process successfully, use your own customer number, which you created. Your three number here, you put your three numbers, not mine. When I say this one, so you have to put your user ID for SAP, SAP JUC 441 dash your three number. So I will put 00, today's date for this document number. This is what you receive from your customer. And now this inquiry is, there is a validity period for this inquiry, how long this inquiry is valid, because you need to have this information for your customer who is inquiring about something, right? Now this inquiry is very important, right? The date, that how long this will be valid, means the validity period, right, should be 1 month from today. So valid from today, which is 29 September, valid to 1 month from today, which is next month. And delivery date should be also 1 month. We cannot immediately deliver, right? So we will at least need 1 month to deliver. So this is important. Date is important. So make sure your date valid to, valid from these date, and delivery date is very important. And this company or this customer, he is interested in two products which are DXTR. Already for our practice purposes, we have many products. So we will sell different products. Who is following with me? Is there anyone who is with me? Yes, is there any student who is following with me? Yes, Haza. Okay. What are your three digits, right, Haza? You know, let's say in your case, you have JUC 441071. Is it correct? Hatim, for example, yours is 066. So what we have already in our system, DXTR, this is how you will write it, 1, and then your three numbers. We will have three unique numbers. Hash means why? Why we are doing this one? In our company, we have many products. So we each sell different products. In my case, I will sell, let's say, this product 000, and someone else will sell 66 based on your ID, right? And someone will sell 73, for example, based on his 3 unique numbers. Okay, so you put your own. I will put this one, okay, 000. This is already, we have a lot of products in our system for practice. And other product is PRTR1 and then your 3 numbers. Instead of 3 hash, you put whatever you have. We are going to purchase 5 of these bicycles and 2 from the other product, this one, and then press enter. After this one, you will see everything will be shown. If there is any error in a code or anything, you'll get a message. This message change in invoice date, yes, just consider this as a warning message. Okay, and then you should have this screen. You can have a net value on the top, you can see, and you will have you can see here it's clearly net value of this order 21,400 and expected value. Do you have this one? Do you have this one? Those who are following with me, net value. Okay, thank you. And then you have an expected value. Now, what is net value? This is the total value of your order, which is 5 bikes. 5 are the deluxe touring bike black and 2 are the professional touring bike. If I scroll to the right, I can see their price for each. See here, 15,000 and 6,400, right? 15,000 is the price for 5 bikes, right? For in the first line, deluxe, and 6,400 is the price of 2 bikes which are professional. So 15 plus 6, 21,400, which is same as net value. Now next is this column here is order probability, which is 30%. This one is basically telling us the expected value, which is this one. How do we calculate an expected value? 15,000 multiplied by 30% plus 6,400 multiplied by 30%. It gives us an expected value. What do we mean by this one? Here, order probability, remember, inquiry means a customer may buy or may not buy. We have our system says that there is a 30% chance this customer will buy. This is what we call it expected mean. Expected value is already there by default. You should have this number. Do you have it, Bassam? If you enter the data, you should have these numbers. Why you don't have these numbers? Come back, see what do you have, quantity. Do you have 5 and 2 here? Put 5 and 2 and enter. Bassam, your product should be DXTR 1081, right? Based on your SAP ID. So here you put DXTR1081, PRTR1081, and order quantity is 5 and 2, and then enter. Is it okay now? Okay. So once you have, then you can see this one. So this is net value. This is the order probability, 30% times 50,000. This one times this one, right? Which is this number. For example, this is required in the handouts. Change probability to 70%. This one, instead of 30, change it to 70. This one also change it to 70. And once you press enter, you will see that this number of expected value will change. See what is the number now, but if I press enter, the formula, expected value will change. See, 14,980, and net value is same. So now the inquiry has been saved. Just save and you get a number, and note down this number for next step. For customer quotation, this is how it will be done. So I'll save it, and I will get a new number. That inquiry number, this has been created. So note down this number. This is your unique number, which you will need it in the next step. After inquiry has been created, you have to go and complete the next step, which is to give him the price quotation. This is what you have. Maybe the customer don't like the price. You would like to give him some discount, right? So you will give him quotation. This was his inquiry. Now you give him some discount, which is the next step, right? Is to create a quotation. How can we create a quotation? Again, you have everything mentioned in handouts or notes. So how to create a quotation means the price. So the price we are going to give him is this one, quotation type, QT. Yeah, especially on this step, you have to be very careful. What is this step here? Is an important step. Yes, anyone following with me? You have to click on this one, create with reference, because there should be a link. What will be the link of a quotation? Will link with inquiry. Why we are giving him a quotation? Because we had an inquiry from a customer. What is the inquiry from a customer? Which we just created in previous step. So if you save that number, so I will write my inquiry, right, which is 10000. I can write 000024. This is what I have, my inquiry number, which I created in previous step, and it again appears the same data is copied here. So same 3 number here, today's date. In next step number 5, right? So you have to enter all the information. After you find your query number, either you search it, or if you know it, you can directly write down the query number, right? And then we'll put all the information valid from today's date, 1 month from today, so that this validity is only for 1 month. The price validity. Make sure your delivery date, check this date, very important. because you need them in the next step. Dates are very important. 1 month. Valid from today, whenever you are working, whatever your date, if you are watching the recording, it should be current date to 1 month, and then here delivery date should be 1 month. And then you press enter. So this is the quotation. Now let's see, this customer is saying that he need a discount, and you are giving him 2 discount. Remember, the price of the bike is 3,000, and he say, no, can you give me a discount on deluxe touring bike? So you are giving him a discount of 90 on this product. First one. How to give a discount in SAP? Basically, we know that the discount is 3,000 minus 50 is 2,950, but how to give a discount for this customer in SAP? Select a row, because we want to give him a discount only for this product, deluxe touring bike. How to give a discount? Select that product by clicking the whole row and then clicking on item condition, and you come here in the bottom, there will be empty row to give him that discount. How to give him that discount? There is a condition type, we call it K004. Just click here in the empty row and see where is K004 here, material. Click here, and in the amount column just put 50. So this is the amount. We are giving him a discount, and you can see on top it is 15,000, and for 5 bikes. If I press enter, and the price has been reduced, now you can see it's 14,750 after a discount, 50, 50, 50 on 3 bikes. So this is a discount given to a customer based on this one. This is a discount. Now if you see, the net value is changed, is different amount after that discount of $50. Still customer say, no, he need more discount. Now you say, okay, the next discount I will give you is 5% on this total value. Another type of a discount. You give, okay, whatever your total value, I'll give you a more discount. 5% of the total value. So how to give this discount, or how to apply this kind of a discount on total order, which you will go to menu, go to header and conditions. This is the menu path you have to follow, and give him a discount of 5% on total value. So again, you come back in the bottom of the empty screen, and we have a condition for this one, right, which we will give him a discount, which is this one, RA00, % discount from the net. We'll give him a discount. This is the condition type we will use. And what is the amount of discount? 5 we are giving. See on top, still 21,150. As if I press enter, still the number do not change. Why it do not change? Because we have to activate this discount, right, of 5%. So how to activate this discount? You have already a button there, activate, and then you see when I press, this value will change. You can mathematically calculate and double check it as well. Activate, and now you can see the price is different. So we have given him a discount, and now this is what you have. The total value is this one. 2 type of a discount is given. Just go back, and we will save, and we get a quotation number. So after sales order, quotation has been created. So again, I will save this quotation for my next step. quotation has been done. Now let's say this price was given to a customer, and after some time the customer accepted, and this is acceptable to him. Now he will give us an order, which we call it sales order. Sale order is a legal agreement between two parties, right? Between two parties. It is how to create a sales order. VA01 is the transaction. Order type is standard order. So you have to search here where is the standard order. This one, OR standard order. This is what you have to put into this information. Standard order. This is step number 6. Why we are giving him an order? Because we have a quotation. Remember, we gave him a quotation just in the previous step. If you know the quotation number, you can easily put in there. So let's say our quotation number. So order type is this one, and after entering all the information for US East wholesale bicycle, this again, don't forget this step. Create with reference, because it will link with our quotation. Now, what is our quotation in the previous step? This one, which I created. If you don't know, you can search it and see the whole data. Now, again, everything is here. His PO number, the document number we receive from the customer, other information are same. Today's date, and you can see the delivery date. See, already there. Still you have a time to change. It should be 1 month from today, which is important for next step. Okay, you have to put it correctly, because next step you need this information to start your delivery process. So if everything is correct, your delivery date, your time is okay. Right here, it should be 1 month, and then your 5/2 order is 20,092 net value. It should be this one. Okay, I'm going to save and stop it here. Until this point, you should have completed your task in the next class. So save, and standard order is created 117. This is the order number which I have calculated or created for this customer. So order number 117. So again, you can now, next thing, you have to check whether you have these goods available in your warehouse or not, right? What is our order? We know my order number, right? And I know my products. I want to check, do I have these available in my warehouse in Miami, right? How much I have this product, DXTR 1000 in my Miami plant. How many I have? See the transaction MMBE. It's mentioned, I'll see in the handout as well in the next step, which is step number 7, to check your stock status. See how many I have, 83. You may have different. The number could be different. For example, if I want to check for someone else, for example, some student is doing 88, for example, this product. See, it is 100 now. You have a different stock level, right? So in order to complete my order, I need to have the at least same as my order. For example, my order to sell 5 bicycle, I have 83 in my stock, which is okay. I can complete this order. Okay. Same thing you can check for other bike, which is PR professional. How many I have in my warehouse in Miami is 69. If I check someone else, for example, let me check 86. How many of these products available is 80, right? So you may have different available based on your product. Then I will check the status of my order, which is next step, VA03. And my order is 117. Just now I created, and I can see this is the order total value, and I want to see a document flow. This is what we have studied so far until this step. What is the step which we have completed? Is step number 7, and this is step number 8, your order status. How can you check your order status? With this transaction VA03, you can check the order status of your, it's not complete, right? Because we have not completed the delivery. So by next class, you should have this step until this point ready. Okay, this is what you should have. If an order is complete, I mean at the end of this case, okay, at the end of this case, for example, I have an old order which I showed you before, let's say number 5. If I see the status of this order, see everything is complete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 steps complete and cleared. And you can see on the left side, inquiry is linked with quotation. Quotation is linked with order. So if you have any mistake, you can go to previous step and change in case you have a mistake. But that's how your work will be checked. Okay, it should be like this one at the end when you finish. But for example, for just now, until this step, it's not complete. This is what my order is. It should look like this one. Okay, so these are the steps you should see when you run VA03 for your order. You can run this step only after completing this process step by creating order. Before it, you cannot run this process. So you have to complete until this step, and then you can come back and check the status. So I'm stopping here. Try to complete until this point. Thank you very much.